We appeal to our DSWD Secretary na tayong mga biktima ng typhoon na ito, si Juan, mapagbigyan tayo ng diin. Lalong-lalo na po dito sa Cordillera Administrative Region, Baguio City, as we already identified the various barangays na naging biktima dito na baha, mabigyan naman ng kunting tulong, relief goods, kahit yung cash siguro, makapagbigay tayo dyan kung tutulong ng ating DSWD Central Office, bigyan ng tulong ng Regional Office para mapunta naman kay BT Pangasan sa Oksudo natin ang kanilang tulong maibigay kaagad sa ating mga biktima sa lungsod ng Baguio.
Well, aside from serving these evacuees from different evacuation centers, our staff are monitoring families whose houses are damaged or receiving reports kung may casualties. But so far right na wala pa naman.
So far medyo himato ti danom as of 6 o'clock this morning di Bampton continuously parang nga talaga kami tapay siguro na adora ti pasura as of yesterday di kinonvene ko ti barangay disaster coordinating council nagpa-evacuate kami. So we made use of our MRF as our temporary evacuation center. So katagat ongoing the evaluation, kin-assessment, the GT families affected. So we are thankful that the Oksudo Ditoy ni Ma'am Pangasan and our congressman for helping us coming up with an assessment for our affected families.